All right, first things first. There's that IPA's part. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, I figured I'd take you along while I do a little bit of grilling. I'm not an expert by no means, but I enjoy doing it. I'm about to show you what we're going to be grilling. As you can see, we picked up a cowboy ribeye steak from Walmart earlier today. I've had it out resting for a while, and she's getting about room temperature. That's what you want, I hear. Alright, so first thing we got to do before we start grilling this bad boy, we got to get that grill fired up. Alright guys, we're outside. Hope this wind's not too terrible. It's been super windy today, and I hope the light's right. Anyway, I figured before we get this thing fired up, I will show you the grill. This here is my Weber kettle. It is supposedly limited edition. I don't know about all that. But my mother-in-law got me this for Christmas about 2 years ago, and I love it. I'm tearing it up. What I like about this one, it's got this bucket down here that catches all the old ashes. Perfect. Easy cleanup. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to have a big green egg or a Traeger or some other type of smoker, but for the money, you just really can't beat this Weber kettle grill. It's classic. Been around for a long time, and there's a reason why. Freaking A, it's super windy. Jeez. Alright, have to turn this thing around, block the wind some. Alright. Now I finally got this cardboard light under this chimney. We're about to be cooking. Alright guys, now it's time to get this thing seasoned up so we can get it on that grill. First thing we gotta do, we gotta open this thing up. Like I said, it's about room temperature. It's gonna be perfect. I like to take a paper towel and just dab it off before I season it. Flip it over onto my plate. My mouth's watering. Basically what I like to do, I like to get rid of that piece of fat that was just sitting on there. I like to start with my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Shout out to the barbecue pit boys. I usually put a decent amount of salt on there so we get a good crust, good salty flavor in that meat. We salted this side. Next we're gonna get some good pepper on there. Alright, looks good. Now for our garlic. Perfect. All right, a lot of people just like to put salt, pepper, maybe garlic on their steaks. I like to top it off with some of this barbecue rub. I got it at Edley's Barbecue when I was in Nashville last year for a class for work. We went to the one, my partner and I, we went to the one in 12 South, in the 12 South neighborhood, right near where our class was at. Anyway, I'm going to throw some of this stuff on there. It's really freaking good. If you can order it online, whatever, get it. It is good. Edley's Barbecue. Good stuff. All right, perfect. All right, the next thing I like to do, some people probably don't do this, but hey, this is my steak. If you like it, cool. If you don't, that's on you. You can enjoy your steak your way. I like to spray it down with some olive oil, canola oil, something kind of like that. In my mind, it locks those spices on there and will help me build a crust on it. Maybe. We'll see. At least in theory. That's my theory behind it. We'll see what happens. Alright, now we flip it over, do the same thing to the other side. Okie doke. We're going to let this sit. Let those flavors get in there. Do whatever they're going to do. And we're going to go check on this charcoal out here. Let's put this grate back on. We're going to close that lid. Woo! About got me that time. Alright, y'all, we got the grill closed up. We're going to be letting this thing come up to temp. I usually like to let it come up to right around 450, maybe around 475, something like that, give or take. That's usually about where I like it, and it seems to work for me. My wife and I usually like to have our steaks at right about medium temp. That's where we're going to try to get it tonight. Alright, YouTube, we got this thing up to about 450. We're going to open her up, clean her off, get that steak on there. I don't have any special grill grates or anything like that. I just try to get some grill marks just the way best I can. I usually try to cook my steaks for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. I do about a half a turn to straighten up those grill marks. I cook it another minute or so, give it a flip, cook it about a minute and a half, another turn, and then cook it another about 1 to 2 minutes, and then usually it's right where I want it to be. Here's the money shot. Ooh-wee, that's gonna be good. Let's get it closed up. With the lids open, it ain't cooking. I think I saw that on a barbecue pit master's show or something. Alright, y'all, it's been about a minute and a half. I'm gonna give this thing a turn. But first, let's look at this. Oh yeah, she's gonna be good. Another about a minute and a half. We're gonna flip her. Alright, y'all, it's been another minute. And about another minute and a half, we're gonna check this baby out, give her a flip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That's how I like it. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Can you hear me, Peter? It's gonna be good. Barbecue pit boys right here. Alright y'all, this dude is done. Here we go. Let's throw this bad boy on a plate. Oh yeah, he's about to start resting. Oh, son. Would you look at that? I mean, I don't have any grill grates or anything. I feel like those are some decent marks on there. She got a little char on her. Curled up on me some. Hey, that dude's gonna be good. It'll eat. That's for sure. Oh hell, about spilled it. I'd have been in trouble then. Mama would have had me hemmed up. Alright YouTube, we got some butter going on this thing. Got some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. I usually say Italian. My wife gets pissed off at me. She's like, why do you say Italian? Because it starts with an I. Anyway, we're gonna get some butter on this thing. And then I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on top. Let this dude rest for a few minutes. YouTube, got your turn back on. We're gonna check this steak after it's been resting. Woo, that is gonna be good. All right, let's cut it open. Hopefully it's right around medium. Otherwise,
we're cutting this out.
I am gonna be sleeping on the couch. Oh yeah. Yeah, that dude's gonna be good. Super juicy. All right, we're gonna split this thing up and give it a taste. I'm gonna cut into this thing, take a bite, and let you know how it tastes. All right, I'm gonna dip it in this sauce over here. Like Burger King, I can have it my way. All right. Freaking A, that's good. That's probably the best steak I've had that I've cooked in a while. For some reason I tend to overcook them, but that is almost perfect.
Yeah, I can't see your face. Now I can.
That was good. My wife is right behind the camera laughing at me. Anyway, hey look, I appreciate you guys watching. If you're enjoying my channel so far, go ahead and give me a like. Let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Punch that notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know when I upload next time. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Thanks for the support. Have a good night.